How to change transfer limit Maybank2u. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the transfer limit to Maybank2u. First, log in via maybank2u.com.my. Then, go to Settings in the top right corner. Now, click the Pay and Transfer tab, then click Transfer Limit. After that, click on the pencil icon next to your chosen transfer type. Next, select which amount you want to set as your new transfer limit. Then select Save Changes and verify it with Secure2u if your new transfer limit is higher than your current limit. Your transfer limit has now been updated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.